if I have a clog in like my bathroom sink or something, I use traditional over-the-counter drain cloggers. But I also have a stationary tub or my laundry sink where my laundry water dumps out into, and it gets really gross and grimy, and it starts to clog up and back up, and regular drain cloggers don't seem to help. So I have been buying this green Gobbler, and I don't know what is in this stuff, but it doesn't have any toxic fumes. It doesn't make my house smell terrible, and it's helping to clog all of that gray water sludge from my drains, and it's also even killing and eating some of the sludge that kind of builds up in the stationary tub that's really kind of hard to get off. You put this in there and leave it soak, and then you can really scrape that stuff off pretty easily. But I've been buying this stuff by the gallon, and I put it in at night before I go to bed. I wake up the next morning and then just put a whole bunch of hot water down the drain, and I usually use about half of it each time, but it is a little bit more powerful than your standard over-the-counter drain cleaners, which is why I wanted to use it. It claims that it is safe for pipes and septic systems if you need to use it in a toilet or somewhere like that. Again, I'm using it specifically for my laundry tub, and for me it works. And if you are looking for a solution that might be a little bit more powerful than the stuff you're going to get at your local store, and also comes in these nice big gallon containers, so you could probably use this 2 or 3 times, this is something that I use and something that I would definitely recommend.